Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to unlink or remove stream from Payhip. So to get started with how you can simply unlink or remove your stream from Payhip, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account or go visit www.payhip.com, then log in with your account credentials. Then from there, click on your profile icon at the top right, then go to the settings. So from the left hand menu, select payment details. So under the stream section, you will see the option to disconnect the strip or unlink the account. So click it, then confirm. When asked, stream will disconnect from your Payhip account. And here's a quick note: once unlinked, customers will no longer be able to pay via stream or credit or debit card until you connect a new stream account. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this method and how you think it can help you on your Payhip account. And that's it.